Hello, Chris Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fist for Tang Soo Do. So let's get started here. Get my fingers close together. I'm going to bend them. And again, so if you look closely, you shouldn't be able to see the fingernails in your hand. So if I look to the side, there's no gap there. Get my thumb out of the way so you can see. And there's no gap there as well. What about the thumb? That is a good question. What I'm going to do is bring it across my pointer finger and middle finger. So what that does is it locks down, engages the muscle to help reinforce the wrist. You want to keep it straight and in line. So knuckles, these two, which you'll be hitting with, will line up behind the elbow. Okay. So the whole structure will be straight and reinforced by the rest of the arm. You don't want to bend the wrist and risk injury. Now, there's always an exception to the rule. Always. When you do back fist, you are going to tilt your hand. Okay? Because you're going to be striking with these two knuckles. Do the back fist wrong, you hit with the back of the hand, that's not going to feel good. Okay? But you want to hit with those two knuckles. So, again, always exceptions. Darn exceptions. All right, but for everything else, punching wise, you want to keep these two knuckles flat and lined up, okay, with the rest of the arm. And we'll get into different punches in another video, okay? Another use of the fist will be the hammer fist. We'll be striking with this surface here. We'll also utilize different blocks with this technique. Okay. So, very useful, but proper structure is very, very important for your safety and training, and if you need to use it in self-defense. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and like and share the video. If you have any kind of feedback, leave it in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We're going to be posting more videos on a regular basis, so be sure to ring that bell to get notification for new videos. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you around. Take care.